Okay, everyone, this is David Thistle, and I wanted to show you how to do this little assignment for the challenge. So here's Article 1 of the Constitution, and it reads, "No person shall be a representative who shall not have attained the age of 25 years and been 7 years a citizen of the United States, and who shall not, when elected, be an inhabitant of that state from which he shall be chosen." Now we're going to go to the Alaska Division's website for elections. We're going to go to candidates. Let's see how long it takes to pull up. Okay. It says candidate qualifications right there. And I'm just going to click on that. Oh. And it's a PDF. And here we go. United States Senator. It says 30 years of age, citizen of the United States for 9 years, and an inhabitant of that state which elected. However, it doesn't say when elected must be an inhabitant of that state from which he shall be chosen. It's the same under the U.S. representative. So they've changed the requirement in the inhabitants clause because it says you have to be an inhabitant of the state from which elected. That's not what the Constitution says, folks. You cannot change, edit, or alter the constitutional requirements of U.S. representative. It's part of the Constitution of the United States. All constitutional changes have to be made in accordance with Article 5. Okay? And in the 10th Amendment, it stipulates that no state can change anything that's found in the Constitution. Okay? So they're not allowed to do this, folks. This is a crime. This is unacceptable. This is misleading the public purposefully while they were under oath. Now let's see if the bottom of the page tells us when it was last updated. Okay, here it is. It says last updated 10/20/2005. So since 2005, the Alaska website has been illegally changing and altering the Constitution of the United States, their elections office, right on the website, and changing the requirements for U.S. Congress so that children believe that they have to be an inhabitant of that state when they run for office. This is completely and utterly unacceptable, folks. Text me if you want the case law. Make a comment if you want the case law.